All right, guys, I'm going to do something, I don't even know how to say it. I'm about to propose to Tiffany. It's been almost a decade, and I've got the ring in my pocket now, and I've been freaking out for like a few weeks right now about what I'm gonna say, how I'm gonna do it, and it's about to go down in the next few minutes, so stay tuned.
You look perfect when you wake up. I'm the lucky man in your bed. You're wasting time.
All right, so in this video, I want to talk about relationships, how they can impact your business, your life, your future, and pretty much anything you do in life. Like, for example, Tiffany and I, we've been together for almost a decade. She's been with me through thick and thin, since I was on food stamps, broke, had no money, to creating a beautiful life together, having a baby. I couldn't imagine myself without Tiffany. And whenever you find something like that, you always want to make sure you do what you can to hold on to it as long as possible. And so what I'd like to do to hold on to her as long as possible is to ask her a really, really cool question. I'd like to ask you to marry me.
Oh my God, babe, are you serious? Oh yes, babe.
I love you.
They remind me of you.
Holy crap, babe.
And that's the video.
So you totally were not expecting that, huh?
No! What? You guys! Oh my God. No, I was not expecting it.
What's cool about this ring is it's actually, so you know how my great-grandfathers were presidents of Bolivia and stuff like that? This is my great-grandmother, who is the wife of the president. This is her ring, so it's over 100 years old. I'm really happy
It's beautiful.
you have it.
Oh, thank you, babe.